Welcome to the first part of the Quantum Excel Manual Trader Assistant Basic Market Users Guide. In these videos we're going to look at ways that you can use the Basic Market Manual Trader Assistant, and there are other videos on the pending editions of this expert as well. Please also refer to the installation videos for installing the expert on the platform of your choice. The QX experts are all very simple, no dill files. At this point though, we've installed the expert on our Light Forex platform, and we're now going to drag each one to the appropriate chart. We have the euro on an M5. We want to make sure our allow live trading is set up, enable alerts. Not necessarily necessary to allow deals, but we should allow external experts for some other features in the program. Want to make sure that our inputs are set up correctly before we get started. Make sure that your expert advisor button is out, so that the experts do not start up right away, because these experts will start immediately. Make sure that your lot size is set appropriately for the minimum account or whatever broker account you have with minimum lot sizes. And initially you probably want to have all of your inputs set to false, because as you'll see later, which one we choose to use will depend on what the market is doing at the time. So before we even get started here, I'm about 3 or 4 hours ahead of myself on this setup. We're just simply going to apply the various experts to the appropriate charts we want to use. You might also refer to the spikes and step strategy as to what we're going to be doing as far as the pattern trading that we're going to use the expert for. Now also note that this expert will come with the source code. There's nothing to hide with this thing. There's nothing fancy about it. And if you want to create an expert for a different chart, let's say the Euro GBP, I recommend that you specially create that one for each chart being used. This is simply a way of keeping track of it. It is not necessary to do this. You can just set a different magic number for each chart that you use, and it doesn't matter that you have a separate expert for it. But if you want to do that, you simply open up your historic tester, or you can simply go directly to the modification expert modification button, but I like to go through it this way. We want to set up a new expert for the EUR GBP, so we simply create that one. And then we come down here, take a copy of that. We set a new magic number. And we go down here to the name that'll appear on the screen, so you know that you have the right expert on the right chart. We paste that right there. We then save it as our new expert. And we'll run a compile just to make sure everything is all right. But it is important that you do run a compile, or you have a compiled edition in all of your platforms you're going to trade, because the the expert actually trades off of that as a priority. We'll discuss that in a later video. Right now, all we're looking at is getting all these experts set up on the appropriate charts, ready to go before we want to trade. And then we'll next video we'll look at how to set up the trades and either isolate the charts for one pair or another, or trade them all at the same time. Hope this was interesting, and thank you for watching.